Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're in this little Largo. Largo is square. And let me kind of give you a little context where we are. We got a restaurant right there. We got this little thing over here, Villa de Mayo, which goes into here. Here's a Taipa village. Then we have two artists that are right there, and they're drawing this temple right here. And we have a mountain right here, so you can actually this business right here is like a restaurant, Chinese restaurant, and it's like has all these windows right there too. It goes it's kind of part of the same one, so you can enter into here and go up into there. But they're actually drawing the temple there, and we're gonna go check it out. I just kind of see like we have quite a few tourists taking pictures as well, so I'm not the only one filming. Really nice. So let me just kind of move around a little bit, see what else we can show you for the square. But I saw that, and it's just too good not to capture on film. Governador Tamagnini Barbosa. I looked into that guy before, so he is obviously a governor in the past, and I think his roots are very Macanese. It's I think he had some connection to Malacca originally, so his name looks a little bit Malaysian, or you know, something Malay, and so I think he would have had some mixed ancestry with Malay, Portuguese, possibly Chinese as well. I think at a certain point there was actually a lot of mixed Macanese, and he would have been a governor at that time. I think this might be part of our square as well, and there's a school over there. It's a Chinese school. The four goddesses: simplicity, temperance, charity, and goodness. There they are right there. Okay, so I think we're gonna head on back. And our focus is actually the square, but I'm just going to take you into Taipa village real quick as well. It's kind of interesting the way they keep this tree up. Got a little slice of Macau. Boy, it's like this building. I think everybody does. It's very photogenic. I guess we'll also just kind of come over and film this real quick just so you can see what they're painting. Used to be more shrines. Okay, so we're gonna head into the Taipa village. Definitely kind of a village feel to it. Yeah, this restaurant right here, they got like pork chop buns, like kind of Macanese food, and you can sit outside out here too. And then this little area kind of curious what that says in Chinese. It looks like people sign their names. They're all different characters. Or maybe it's something like, kind of like our statue that had temperance and goodness and charity, simplicity. Okay, so we're heading into the Taipa village area, and you can basically see all these relatively, I think traditionally the homes probably would have been like more like this, like just 2 stories, 3 stories with a rooftop. Then you got these kind of mixed in too. And anyways, we're gonna end it in a moment. But we're, so basically we kind of targeted that spot, and then we're gonna come in. Oh, that's kind of a new place right there. And then we're gonna end our video in a little bit. See if this guy's open. Usually get my haircut here. Looks like it's a burger shop right there. You have a burger. There's all these new places everywhere in here. Macau. Wow. Huh. Ice cream, gelato. Portuguese bacalhau. Oh, there's like all this kind of new stuff in here. I always thought that this area could really explode. I'm not a pig. Explode with new places. Mama cha. Anyways, this is all new too. This is kind of, it looks totally different than the rest of the architecture around here. And you got pictures of Algarve, Portugal. Okay, so we kind of meandered off a little bit, but we started with the artist, and actually Taipa village is kind of filled with kind of an art. A lot of artist stuff will be in this area too. There's some really well-known artists that live in here. And I shouldn't take away from the main focus, so we're gonna end it. But yeah, you got a little taste of Taipa village anyways. Barcelona restaurant. This one's been here for quite a while. At least the full 10 years I've been here. Okay. So I guess we're just gonna end it by coming out to our tourist street up here. We'll see how busy it is at 11 in the morning, and then we're gonna end this one. Got a little bit extra there for, I wasn't planning to film, but then I saw the artist. I would just come out here and just take a look and see how busy our Macau Street is. Looks pretty busy. So this is Macau Street. So this is basically the busiest street in Taipa for tourists. So tourists will come here and get something to eat. So this line can be really long at nighttime, and they're coming to get usually they'll get beef pao, and then they'll get which is like intestines, and then they'll also get some like egg tarts, bakery. So it's basically kind of called like food street, and it's very popular for tourism. And it's usually just uniquely this street, and then you get to the side alleys and it's quite quiet. So anyways, we started in kind of a quiet area, then we moved into this area, which was quite busy. I know to have kind of a mainlander tourist feel, but a lot of Hong Kong people will come too. And we're gonna disappear back into the alleys. And since we get off that street, it gets quiet again. And this looks like something different too. Anyways, we're gonna end it. Oh, there's like all these new things everywhere. We'll end it right there. Hey, check out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.